who think getting a car phone is not for them, whatever the reason, haven't kept up with the booming industry of cellular radio telephones. Scenes like this are becoming commonplace in U.S. cities where cellular is available today. This revolution in communications could make it possible for more and more people to have a phone in their car, or even one that travels with you. Like this unique cellular portable made by Motorola, which weighs only 30 ounces. Right now, businessmen and women are major users of radio telephones where cellular is in service. But more people will take advantage of cellular as its benefits become apparent. Eventually, seeing people using cellular phones may seem as commonplace as someone checking time on an electronic watch, figuring on an electronic calculator, or programming on an electronic computer. Industry watchers say there are only a few thousand cellular phones in use right now, but that number is expected to grow considerably within the next few years during the cellular revolution.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Scrooge.
Now with the new electronic talking ViewMaster viewer, batteries not included, see and hear 3D scenes from Disney's Mickey's Christmas Carol. Just snap in a cartridge.
Ah, humbug.
And the characters look and sound so real.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Scrooge.
You think you could reach in and touch them. See and hear A-Team and Muppets on cartridges each sold separately. The talking ViewMaster viewer with earphone, volume control, and 3 Mickey Mouse cartridges.
Take a cassette out of its case, and most people just see an empty box. But Sony saw something quite different. Sony introduces the only cassette player as small as a cassette case. The incredible-sounding Super Walkman.
Enter Sony's $25,000 sweepstakes. Look for this display at your Sony dealer.
When you hate to see
your old TV,
it's time for Samsung.
if you feel in doubt,
Then throw it out.
and switch to Samsung. People that you meet out on the street
are choosing Samsung.
You simply can't go wrong, so come along.